Have you ever wished you could command respect? Have you wanted to project strength without uttering a single word? Many seek power through aggression, but true power comes from within. It stems from inner peace and wisdom. This is the path of the silent warrior. We will explore how to make your enemies fear you, not through force, but through the profound teachings of Buddhism. We will learn to cultivate an aura of strength, an aura that speaks volumes. This is not about manipulation. This is about self-mastery. Let's begin this journey together. Lesson 1. Mastering silence. Silence is a powerful tool. In our noisy world, it stands out. Most people fill every gap with words. They feel the need to constantly speak. But true strength lies in knowing when to be silent. The Buddha taught the importance of right speech. This means speaking only when necessary, and speaking with kindness and truth. Silence allows you to observe. It lets you listen deeply. You see the world as it truly is. People reveal themselves in their words. You learn their weaknesses and strengths. When you speak less, your words carry more weight. People listen more carefully. They wonder what you're thinking. They respect your quiet wisdom. Think of a still pond. Its surface reflects everything clearly. A noisy, turbulent pond distorts the image. Your mind is like that pond. When it's still, you see clearly. Practice mindful silence. Take moments throughout the day to be quiet. Observe your thoughts and feelings. Don't feel the need to fill every silence. Let others talk. Listen without interrupting. Let your presence speak for itself. You don't need to prove anything. Simply be present. Control your tongue, and you control your interactions. Let silence be your strength. It's a sign of inner peace. It's a sign of self-control. It allows you to gather your thoughts. It makes you a powerful observer. It gives you time to respond thoughtfully. It shows you are not easily provoked. You have a deep well of inner calm. It allows you to see the world with clarity. It makes you appear wise and composed. It teaches others to value your words. When you do speak, let it be meaningful. Let it be truthful and kind. Silence is not weakness. It is a profound form of strength. Lesson 2. Controlling your body language. Your body speaks volumes. Even when you're silent, your posture, your gestures, your eye contact, these all convey messages. The Buddha taught the importance of mindfulness. Be mindful of your body. Stand tall. Maintain good posture. Avoid fidgeting and nervous habits. Look people in the eye, but don't stare. A gentle, steady gaze conveys confidence. Practice mindful movement. Walk with purpose. Sit with dignity. Your body language should reflect inner calm. It should project strength and confidence. When you are calm inside, it reflects outside. Your body language becomes natural. It becomes authentic. Avoid aggressive or confrontational gestures. Keep your movements smooth and controlled. Your body should reflect tranquility. It should show you are in control. Practice mindful breathing. It calms your nervous system. It helps you maintain composure. When you are nervous, your body shows it. When you are calm, your body shows it. Be aware of your facial expressions. A relaxed face conveys confidence. A tense face conveys anxiety. Practice smiling gently. It conveys friendliness and approachability. But don't force it. Let it come naturally. Your body language should be consistent. It should reflect your inner state. When you are mindful, you are in control. Your body becomes a powerful tool. It speaks without words. It commands respect. It shows inner peace. It projects unwavering strength. It reflects the calm center of your being. It allows you to interact with confidence. It allows you to project an aura of power. It makes people feel at ease around you. It makes people respect your presence. It shows that you are a person of substance. Lesson 3. Cultivating self-discipline. Self-discipline is the foundation of inner strength. The Buddha taught the importance of the Eightfold Path. It is a path of self-discipline and self-mastery. Practice mindfulness in your daily life. Be mindful of your thoughts and actions. Set clear goals for yourself, and stick to them. Resist temptations and distractions. Cultivate good habits, and break bad ones. Practice patience and perseverance. Don't give up easily. Learn to control your impulses. Develop a routine and follow it. Practice delayed gratification. Learn to say no to things that don't serve you. Practice self-control in all areas of your life. This includes your diet, your sleep, and your work. Practice meditation and mindfulness. These practices strengthen your mind. They help you develop self-discipline. They teach you to control your thoughts. They teach you to observe your emotions without being swept away by them. Self-discipline is not about being rigid. It's about being in control. It's about making conscious choices. It's about aligning your actions with your values. It's about living with intention. It's about building inner strength. It's about cultivating a strong character. It's about developing resilience. It's about becoming the master of yourself. It allows you to achieve your goals. It allows you to overcome obstacles. It allows you to live a fulfilling life. It makes you a person of integrity. It makes you a person of strength. It makes you a person of wisdom. It makes you a person that others respect. It allows you to live a life of peace and purpose. Lesson 4. Building a strong reputation. Your reputation precedes you. The Buddha taught the importance of right livelihood. This means living a life of integrity and honesty. Your actions speak louder than words. Be known for your honesty and reliability. Be known for your kindness and compassion. Be known for your wisdom and integrity. Treat others with respect. Keep your promises. Be consistent in your words and actions. Be a person of your word. Build trust with others. Be helpful and supportive. Be generous and compassionate. Avoid gossip and slander. Speak well of others. Be a person of good character. Be a person of good reputation. Let your actions speak for themselves. Don't seek praise or recognition. Focus on doing good. Focus on being a good person. Your reputation will follow. It will open doors for you. It will create opportunities. It will make people trust you. It will make people respect you. It will make you a person of influence. It will make you a person of honor. It will make you a person of integrity. It will make you a person of peace. It will make you a person that others admire. It will make you a person that others seek out. Your reputation is your legacy. It is what you leave behind. It is a reflection of your character. It is a reflection of your values. It is a reflection of your inner strength. It is a reflection of your wisdom. Lesson 5. Maintaining an air of mystery. Mystery creates intrigue. It makes people curious. The Buddha taught the importance of not clinging to worldly things. This includes not seeking attention or validation. Be comfortable with silence. Be comfortable with solitude. Don't reveal everything about yourself. Keep some things private. Don't feel the need to explain yourself. Let people wonder about you. Don't be predictable. Be spontaneous and unpredictable. Don't be afraid to be different. Be yourself. Don't try to impress others. Let your actions speak for themselves. Don't seek attention. Let it come to you naturally. Be comfortable with ambiguity. Be comfortable with uncertainty. Don't feel the need to control everything. Let things unfold naturally. Be comfortable with the unknown. Let your presence be felt, without needing to say anything. Let your silence be your voice. Let your actions be your message. Let your presence be your power. It makes you appear wise and mysterious. It makes you appear powerful and confident. It makes you appear calm and composed. It makes you appear self-assured and independent. It makes you appear intriguing and captivating. It makes you appear like you have a deep well of inner strength. It makes you appear like you have a deep well of wisdom. It makes you appear like you are not easily understood. It makes you appear like you are not easily manipulated. It makes you appear like you are in control of your own destiny. Lesson 6. Focusing on self-improvement. The Buddha taught that the path to enlightenment is a path of self-improvement. Focus on your own growth. Cultivate wisdom and compassion. Develop your skills and talents. Learn new things. Expand your knowledge. Improve your physical and mental health. Practice mindfulness and meditation. Cultivate positive habits. Break negative habits. Be kind to yourself. Be patient with yourself. Don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own journey. Be grateful for what you have. Learn from your mistakes. Embrace challenges. Use them as opportunities for growth. Be resilient. Bounce back from setbacks. Be a lifelong learner. Never stop growing. Be the best version of yourself. Be a source of inspiration to others. Be a beacon of light in the world. Your self-improvement is your greatest gift. It empowers you. It strengthens you. It makes you a better person. It makes you a more compassionate person. It makes you a more wise person. It makes you a more peaceful person. It makes you a more loving person. It makes you a more influential person. It makes you a more respected person. It allows you to live a life of purpose. It allows you to live a life of meaning. It allows you to live a life of fulfillment. Lesson 7. Strategic inaction. Sometimes, the most powerful action is inaction. The Buddha taught the importance of non-attachment. This means not clinging to outcomes. Don't feel the need to react to everything. Don't be drawn into every conflict. Observe the situation. Let it unfold. Don't waste your energy on pointless battles. Choose your battles wisely. Conserve your energy for what matters. Sometimes, the best response is no response. Let silence be your answer. Let time be your ally. Let the situation resolve itself. Don't be afraid to walk away. Don't be afraid to disengage. Don't be afraid to let go. Don't be afraid to be still. Let your stillness be your strength. Let your patience be your power. Let your wisdom guide your actions. Let your inner peace be your shield. Strategic inaction is not weakness. It is a sign of wisdom. It is a sign of self-control. It is a sign of inner strength. It allows you to conserve your energy. It allows you to make wise decisions. It allows you to see the bigger picture. It allows you to avoid unnecessary conflict. It allows you to maintain your composure. It allows you to remain calm under pressure. It allows you to appear wise and composed. It allows you to appear powerful and in control. It allows you to appear like you are not easily provoked. It allows you to appear like you are not easily manipulated. It allows you to appear like you are a person of substance. It allows you to appear like you have a deep well of inner peace. It allows you to appear like you are a master of yourself. Lesson 8. Controlling your emotions. Emotions are powerful forces. The Buddha taught the importance of emotional regulation. Practice mindfulness of your emotions. Observe them without judgment. Don't let them control you. Don't react impulsively. Take a moment to breathe. Take a moment to reflect. Cultivate equanimity. This means maintaining balance in the face of adversity. Don't let anger consume you. Don't let fear paralyze you. Don't let sadness overwhelm you. Practice loving kindness. Extend compassion to yourself and others. Cultivate gratitude. Appreciate the good things in your life. Practice forgiveness. Let go of resentment and bitterness. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself when you make mistakes. Don't dwell on the past. Focus on the present moment. Don't worry about the future. Focus on what you can control. Control your reactions. Control your thoughts. Control your emotions. Emotional control is not about suppressing your feelings. It's about understanding them. It's about managing them. It's about responding to them in a healthy way. It's about cultivating inner peace. It's about developing emotional resilience. It's about becoming the master of your emotions. It allows you to maintain your composure. It allows you to make wise decisions. It allows you to build strong relationships. It allows you to live a more fulfilling life. It allows you to appear calm and collected. It allows you to appear wise and composed. It allows you to appear strong and in control. It allows you to appear like you are not easily provoked. It allows you to appear like you are a person of inner peace. It allows you to appear like you are a person of great strength. Lesson 9. Being unpredictable. Predictability breeds complacency. Unpredictability creates intrigue. The Buddha taught the importance of impermanence. Everything changes. Be adaptable. Be flexible. Don't be afraid to change your plans. Don't be afraid to try new things. Don't be afraid to break the mold. Don't be afraid to surprise people. Don't be afraid to challenge expectations. Don't be afraid to be different. Don't be afraid to be spontaneous. Don't be afraid to be unpredictable. Don't be afraid to be yourself. Don't be afraid to be authentic. Don't be afraid to be genuine. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Don't be afraid to be strong. Don't be afraid to be wise. Don't be afraid to be compassionate. Don't be afraid to be kind. Don't be afraid to be yourself. Don't be afraid to be unpredictable. It keeps people on their toes. It makes them wonder what you'll do next. It makes them respect your independence. It makes them respect your strength. It makes them respect your wisdom. It makes them respect your individuality. It makes them respect your authenticity. It makes them respect your courage. It makes them respect your resilience. It makes them respect your inner peace. It makes them respect your ability to adapt. It makes them respect your ability to be yourself. It makes them respect your ability to be unpredictable. It makes you appear like you are a person of depth. It makes you appear like you are a person of substance. It makes you appear like you are a person of great strength. It makes you appear like you are a person of great wisdom. Lesson 10. Maintaining a calm demeanor. A calm demeanor is a sign of inner strength. The Buddha taught the importance of peace. Cultivate inner peace. Practice mindfulness. Practice meditation. Practice deep breathing. Practice relaxation techniques. Practice self-compassion. Practice forgiveness. Practice gratitude. Practice loving kindness. Practice equanimity. Maintain a calm and steady voice. Maintain a relaxed posture. Maintain a gentle gaze. Maintain a peaceful expression. Maintain a composed demeanor. Maintain a balanced mind. Maintain a peaceful heart. Maintain a calm spirit. Maintain a tranquil presence. Maintain a serene aura. Maintain a peaceful energy. It reflects inner peace. It reflects self-control. It reflects wisdom. It reflects strength. It reflects resilience. It reflects compassion. It reflects kindness. It reflects grace. It reflects dignity. It reflects integrity. It reflects balance. It reflects harmony. It makes you appear wise and composed. It makes you appear powerful and in control. It makes you appear calm and collected. It makes you appear like you are not easily provoked. It makes you appear like you are not easily manipulated. It makes you appear like you are a person of substance. It makes you appear like you are a person of great strength. It makes you appear like you are a person of great wisdom. It makes you appear like you are a person of great peace. It makes you appear like you are a person that others respect. It makes you appear like you are a person that others trust. These teachings are not about dominating others. They are about mastering yourself. True power comes from within. It comes from inner peace. It comes from wisdom. It comes from compassion. Cultivate these qualities, and you will command respect. Without saying a word, you will become a silent warrior. You will become a beacon of light. You will become a source of inspiration. You will become a force for good in the world.